and their functions. The heart is located between the lungs in the middle of the chest, behind and slightly to the left of the breastbone or the sternum. The average heart is the size of a fist in an adult. Your heart beats around 115,000 times each day, and it pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood every day. The heart wall consists of three main layers: the epicardium, the myocardium, and the endocardium. The endocardium is the thin membrane that lines the interior of the heart. The myocardium is the middle layer of the heart. It is the heart muscle and the thickest layer of the heart. The epicardium is a thin layer on the surface of the heart in which the coronary arteries lie. The four chambers of the heart are the right atrium, the right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. These four chambers are attached to major veins or arteries that either bring blood into or carry blood away from the heart. The atria are the receiving stations of the heart. The right atrium receives its supply of oxygen, poor blood, from the two largest veins in the body, the superior and the inferior vena cava. The left atrium receives blood that has been oxygenated in the lungs from the pulmonary veins. Both atria then pump their supply of blood into the ventricles. The ventricles, they are the shipping stations of the heart. The right ventricle pumps oxygen, poor blood, into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. On the other hand, the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body through aorta, which is considered the largest artery in the body. There are four valves within the heart: the pulmonary valve, the tricuspid valve, the aortic valve, and lastly the mitral valve. The pulmonary valve is between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. The tricuspid valve is between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The mitral valve is between the left atrium and the left ventricle. And lastly, the aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and the aorta. The heart rhythm is controlled by an electrical system which is called the cardiac conduction system, which is the heart's own built-in pacemaker. This special tissue sets the heart rate and allows the upper and lower chambers to communicate with one another so they can function in a coordinated fashion.